First, ensure the battery is properly inserted. Locate the battery compartment on the back, remove the cover, align the battery contacts with positive to positive, and securely replace the cover. Note that some newer models have non-removable batteries, so skip this step if applicable. Next, charge the phone using the included USB charger. A full charge usually takes 2 to 4 hours, and the indicator light will signal completion. Finally, press and hold the power key, usually on the top or side and marked with a power icon, for 3 to 5 seconds until the screen lights up. If the SIM card isn't already inserted, do so before powering on by sliding it into the appropriate slot, which is usually under the battery. What if your phone doesn't turn on? Double-check the battery connection or try a soft reset by removing and reinserting the battery. Make sure you're using the correct charger. High-wattage chargers can damage the battery. Tracfone warns against using third-party accessories due to potential counterfeit battery issues. Flip phones are known for their simplicity, focusing on calls, texts, and emergency alerts. Unlike smartphones, they lack advanced apps. Stay safe by avoiding water exposure and following Tracfone's manual for optimal performance and longevity. If you are using an older phone, remember that most models now support LTE networks for better data speeds.